Icons are very common in web design, such as the picture of an envelope to indicate an email link. Back in ancient times, web developers would have to find or make separate image files for each icon they wanted to use. Then if they wanted to change the color of an icon, they would have to make an entirely different image file. Things are easier now, and modern web developers have two very good options to choose from: icon fonts and SVG icons. In this course, we will teach you to use icon fonts, but it would be worthwhile to explore the alternative of SVG icons after the course. Icon fonts are typically bundled together into toolkits, such as the very popular Font Awesome library. Font Awesome is not a part of Bootstrap but a separate library. By using an icon font toolkit such as this, you immediately have access to many icons. Because each icon is treated like a character from a regular font set, they can be styled using CSS just like any regular font, unlike static images. I'll now install Font Awesome from a bash terminal inside the project folder. You can safely ignore any warning messages. Next, we'll open index.html, and in the head section, we will link Font Awesome under the comment that says Additional CSS. Next, in index.html, we'll add Font Awesome icons to the navbar. To do this, we will use the inline HTML element of I and add Font Awesome classes to it for the icons that we want. First, you always have to include the FA class as the base class. Then you will add the class name of the icon that you want. Then, optionally, you can also include a sizing class. In this case, we'll use FA-LG to make it bigger. Next, in the footer, let's replace the text for the social links that are inside the anchor tags with Font Awesome social icons. We will also replace the text for tel and email with phone and envelope icons. By default, the icons are black. But remember what I said about how font icons can be styled like regular text? That means we can change the color using custom CSS or Bootstrap text color utility classes. I'll add text primary here just to show you an example. Okay, now everything that we just did in index.html, we're also going to need to do in aboutus.html. Let's go through it together. So let's open aboutus.html, and first we're going to link to Font Awesome inside the head element. Then we'll copy over the Font Awesome icons that are now used in the navbar, But be sure that in these two lines, you change the location of the active attribute and the links. Finally, in the footer, we'll swap out the text for the social links for Font Awesome social icons. And the same goes for the phone and email icons, along with the text primary class. Check in your browser to make sure that the font icons are showing up correctly on both pages.